So welcome back to Making Adventure. I'm Kimi, and today we're going to be doing some more work on our bed. Bed? It's not a bed yet, it's a couch. But we're going to make it a bed. This video we're going to try to build some sort of contraption that slides in and out, and then we can just keep adding more and more features to this couch, and hopefully we don't break it. I was told by an engineer a long time ago that if it's not broken, it doesn't have enough features yet. So right now you can see that this is a couch setup, and I want to build a bed, a platform that will slide in and out of this opening right here. So that's what all this wood is for that Stephanie cut down, and I'm just gonna do some assembly now with pocket screws and get it to fit underneath this couch. One and 3/4, right? Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, I'd rather that break now than after the whole thing is built. So let's go ahead and take that out. So you guys can see what happened. The edge of the wood chipped off, and that's because I had my pocket screws still set for the 1/2-inch pieces that we were cutting, and not for this 1.5-inch material that we were cutting. So now on the other side, I set it for the 1.5-inch material, and it should be a lot deeper and actually come out the middle of the board. Now we just gotta put the wheels on it. Sweet. Well, I see we haven't broke it yet, so let's keep adding more features. Now what is it?
I think this was meant for a bigger bullet like this.
It was, definitely. I'm leaning towards make this part out of aluminum. Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. We broke it. We're going to try again tomorrow, but you guys are going to see that Thursday, so I don't think you're going to learn anything from this one. Maybe you did. But either way, see you guys next time.